Are you wondering how you can hide your emails without deleting them? Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide your emails without actually deleting them. For that, you will need to use the function called archives, and after you archive an email, it will be hidden from your inbox and it won't be deleted from your account. For that, you first need to open up your Gmail application, and let's say if I want to archive this email right here, I'm just gonna long press on it. And if you see this little icon right here with the down arrow, you just have to tap on it. It indicates the archive. But if you don't see this up here, you tap on the three dots and then you can find it somewhere here. Now, if you just tap on archive, this particular email will be hidden from your inbox. And let's say if I want to archive this email right here, I'm just going to do the same. There is one other way that you can do. It might be different depending on the settings of your device, but in my device, I've set swipe left to archive, so I can just swipe left on any emails from my inbox to archive them. So that's how you easily archive emails on your Gmail app. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.